2012 Subaru WRX. Hi everyone, my name is Carter and I own Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, autoramaauto.com. Check this car out, very nice and clean. I went crazy taking the pictures. 25,000 actual miles, 2 owners, first owner in Minnesota to 2019, second owner in North Dakota ever since. Car is mechanically stock, except for the clutch. I don't know what the clutch is, but it is stiffer than from factory. Fully inspected because of the 12-month, 12,000 mile powertrain warranty. That's good nationwide. You can upgrade that warranty very reasonably in our finance office. Speaking of finance, you can get pre-approved at autoramaauto.com and be pre-approved. You like it, you love it, come on in, test drive it. If you like it, you can go home with it. Saves a bunch of time. We're not going to keep you all day. We're not even going to give you a cup of coffee. You're not going to be here that long. The inspection came back really good. It needed tires. We put some no-name brand on them. I'd sooner have brand new no names than brand name shot tires. Got a new battery. Got an oil change, air filter, air and oil filter. Car's really a survivor. Somebody did try smoking the tail lights. They didn't do a real good job. They're original to the car. We're leaving them. The car did have an aftermarket stereo in it, but the factory had units in there. Except for a little tiny hole in the trunk, you would never know it had a stereo. Car's really clean. It does have its imperfections. It is 25,000 miles, but I took a ton of close-up pictures of those. Let's talk about price. You're not going to buy this car for book, because you're not going to find a survivor with 25,000 miles. We sell a lot of WRXs, a lot of STIs. We know what the market is. Find another wagon or hatch, whatever you want to call it, WRX with 25,000 miles factory. You just don't. Carfax says it did have a fender bender front and rear. I can't find anything that was ever replaced. I can't find any paint work. When we did get the car in, this fender right here, the lawn service guy hit it with rock chips, and a rock chipped the crap out of it. So this fender is fresh paint. There was no serious damage, but it had like 8 or 9 chips about the size of your fingernail. So if touch-up wasn't doing it, any other imperfections you see are really minor. Some of the PPF is got a little dirt behind it. Little buffing compound here and there in the cracks. Nothing too serious. Yeah. So anyways, again, if you're looking for a nice clean survivor, 25,000 miles, no real stories, not modified, WRX hatch, man, look no further. Again, 25,000 at documented miles. So come and see it, Autorama Auto Sales.